As an auto repair shop professional, you know that getting customers to choose your shop over all the rest is goal number one. The second most important thing, keeping them. If only it were easy to bring customers back into your shop again and again. Now it is. It's called Retention Pro, and it delivers on its name big time. This customer communication and retention tool seamlessly integrates with your shop management system to access your existing customer information and sends them relevant and personalized communications right to their phones, so they're more likely to respond. The best part is, as you send out campaigns, you'll be able to see how they're performing in real time. Retention Pro is so easy to use. Just click on the button to start your free 30-day trial, choose your shop management system, and watch the customer data flow in. Once everything is integrated, you can use dozens of preloaded email and text campaigns like new customer welcome and referral emails, service reminders, and more. Retention Pro can even access your appointment calendar to identify slow periods and generate customer communications to boost your business when you need it most. Ready to turbocharge your appointments, fill your service bays, and build trust and retention with customers? Sign up today for your 30-day free trial of Retention Pro by Bolt-On Technology.